everyone, this is Dr. Adeline, aka Brown Skin Derm. I'm here to show you how to do an AM and a PM routine. So I like to use a gentle cleanser, and I'm using the Pearlace cleanser for my morning routine. And then I lather very well, and then I'm going to apply it to my face in a circular motion. And then for the under the eye area, I like using my pinky because that's a delicate area of the skin and you don't want to rub too hard. So instead of like splashing water on my face, I love using the cotton method. So I just soak the cotton and use to gently wipe my face. So after cleansing my face, I like to follow with a very light hydrating serum. And this is a lightweight, fast absorbing serum. So your serums go first. The next thing I like to follow with is an antioxidant vitamin C serum. I'm going to use about 4 to 5 drops and then massage it into my face. So if you have skin of color, you tend to be prone to hyperpigmentation, especially if you are darker skin. So using a vitamin C serum also helps in treating hyperpigmentation. So after applying my serums, I like to follow with a moisturizer. I like to go with moisturizers that have hyaluronic acid just for that extra hydration. And then the last step, you don't want to forget your sunscreen to protect against UV radiation. So you want to do this in your morning routine, not necessarily your PM routine. So those are all the steps that I recommend for a simple morning routine. Now we're going to do the nighttime routine. For my nighttime routine, I like to exfoliate, and to do that I will use a cleanser like the Murad. My preference when it comes to exfoliating is chemical exfoliants. That's your salicylic acid, your glycolic acid, and they basically strip off the dead skin off your face. So I like to use a cotton pad to remove the cleanser. The next step in my nighttime routine is applying my hyaluronic acid serum. I use it in the morning and in the evening. I use it because when you exfoliate, it makes the skin dry. So it's very important to replenish the hydration into the skin. The last step is to apply a hydrating moisturizer. And that concludes my nighttime routine. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you distinguish what products you use in the morning versus the evening for your skincare routine.